Hello, 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 guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette. Is it your first time visiting? Then welcome, welcome, welcome. And please do not subscribe until the end of this video. Yeah? Yeah, do not subscribe until the end. And please, as you watch, leave me a comment in the box. I love to see your comments and I do respond. Give me those thumbs up. YouTube loves to see interaction so they can show these videos to many, many more persons to inspire them and to motivate them. So today I'm going to talk about when you really want something, what is it that you do? I know what a lot of people tend to do. They tend to worry a lot. But guys, I've learned some stuff this year that I want to share with you. And that's what all of my videos have. My videos have a lot of inspiration and motivation. And just to tell you how to really, at the end of it all, is how to get what you really want. And that's what I've learned. Too often we tend to worry when we really want something and we don't know how to arrive at that goal. We tend to worry. But I'm going to give you a few little tricks and tips of things I've learned that I'm going to pass on to you, that if you really, 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 really desire something right now, how to go about it. We have power, great power within us. I really didn't know that myself. So if you're watching me and you don't understand what I'm saying, I too didn't understand the power that I have within me, that I can create whatever it is that I want right now. Yes, you can. You have that power to do that. Yeah? So what it is that you want right now? Let me tell you how simple it is. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. And one of the ways of getting what you want is to be still. Close out all the negative noise and news that's going on around you. And be still. Be still. It seems crazy, eh? It seems stupid, huh? Be still. Go into meditation. Yeah, that's what I learned. And I've seen the proofs. Go into meditation. And in meditation, you visualize what it is that you want. When you visualize what it is that you want, then you're going to feel as if you already got it. And that's the gold right there that I've learned. How to get what you want right now. I did not understand it. I've always been very, very positive. I speak positive. I am very bubbly personality and positive. I would never speak a negative word. What I thought was not negative, actually. That's what I thought. When you come into contact with me, even before, I was always cheerful and bubbly. But I've learned that cannot get you what you want. And being positive alone will not get you what you want. So I have learned that because we think about our problems all day long, we visualize the worst possible thing happening to us. And so now we're going to flip that. All day long, in and out of meditation, whether you're in meditation or not, that is not the only time to visualize what it is that you want. It has to be all throughout the day. When you're driving, you just see what it is that you want. Whether it's the car, you see yourself, while you're driving the old breakup car, you see yourself driving the new car. Yeah, and that's what I learned. At one point I thought only in meditation do you visualize, but that is not so. Because you don't go into meditation to visualize your problems. It's all day long that's on your mind. Yeah, all day long you're worried, oh my gosh, how am I going to pay the bills? And then you see the worst possible thing that could happen to you. You see yourself out of your home, being evicted, And so now, what it is that you want, write it on a piece of paper and look at it all day long. It is so simple. And then feel as if you got it now. Feel happy. God, I know it seems stupid. I know it seems silly. But you got to be silly to get the thing that you want. That's what I have learned. And I am passing it on to you. It is simple, guys. It is simple, simple, simple. Close your eyes, go into meditation. When in meditation, visualize what it is that you desire. When you are visualizing the home, the husband, the wife, the vehicles, whatever it is, the nice vacation, visualize yourself in first class. I do that all the time. I visualize myself with the lady bringing me the nice glass of fine champagne, the warm blanket and pillow, you know, for us, for my family and I. We get the pillows, we get the blankets. And so visualize yourself in that right now, in that situation, in the home, in the car. And then out of meditation all day long, you don't distract yourself with negative people and negative thoughts and everything else. You just stay in that zone where as you're driving, you just see yourself and the very thing that you desire. That's what I learned. And you will manifest and get what you want right now. Yeah? So guys, that's all I have for you. It's coming close to the holidays. It is November 27th, 2020. Wow, next week will be December. What it is that you really and truly want in your life, you can get it now. Right now. Yeah. And I'll learn how to do that. And so I'm just helping you guys to do that for yourself. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please smash the subscribe button in. Like, please share. A lot of people need to know how to get what they want right now. And videos are popping up. Please continue watching. In the link below, I'm going to leave you a free gift. And then there's also a guide that will lead you step by step of how to really get what you want and get it fast and to manifest really, really fast. So as always, I send you a whole lot of love and light. Smash the subscribe. It's your girl, Georgette. Bye now. Mwah.